Hi there. Good morning, all of you. How are you all? Doing great, right? Are you all doing your homeworks correctly? Or are you troubling your parents? Doing a good job, right? Okay, so today we'll be doing our maths class. And what was that I introduced to you last time? Which number did we write? Number 6, is it not? Yes, very good. Today we are going to learn the next number. Before we go to the next number, shall we see all the numbers that we have learned till now? You just take a look at the numbers and tell me what it is, okay? I am not going to give it in the order of 1, 2, 3, 4. I am going to give it jumbled only, okay? You tell me, let me see if you can tell it correctly, okay? Let's get started. What number is this? What number? Number 3. Very good. And how do you write 3? You start from this point, right? And then go curve line, curve line. Okay? One more time. Curve line, curve line. 3. Very good. What number is this? This is 6. Excellent. How shall we write 6? Start from here. 6. One more time. Start from here. 6. Good. What number is this? Very easy. 1. 1. 1. This number. What is it? 4. Very good. How do you write 4? 4. 4. Have you all started recognizing and writing the numbers? Have you? Zain came last week and he showed me that he can count, he can recognize the numbers. Do you know? We have actually started letting children come to school and they have started working also. Now, what number is this? This is number 2. Let's start from here. 2. 2. One more number. What is this? It's a 5. Start from here. 5. One more time. 5. Okay. So now we'll go in order. You can tell me what the numbers are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and your new number. What comes after 6? We did the counting, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then comes 7. Yes. Shall I show you how 7 will be written? This is how 7 will be. It's very easy. Sleeping line, slanting line. 7. Sleeping line, slanting line. 7. Okay? We'll write it on the board and see. Come. Now when you're writing on the board, you can help me to count also. How many apples are there? Can you count and say how many apples are there? Just 1, right? So how do I write 1? 1. That's all. Okay? Next one. How many eyes are here? 1, 2. All of you have 2 eyes? Let's check here. 1, 2. You have 2 eyes. Okay? 2. Now let's count the mice. How many are there? 1, 2, 3. Count again. 1, 2, 3. How do I write 3? 3. You know the song 3 blind mice, 3 blind mice. See how they run, see how they run. They all ran after the farmer's wife. She cut off their tails with a carving knife. They all ran after the farmer's wife. She cut off their tails with a carving knife. The 3 blind mice. 3 blind mice. Okay? 3. Next one. What do we have here? We have a pizza, is it not? Yes. Who doesn't love a pizza? Now, how many pieces are there in a pizza? Can you see? There's one piece here. Then there's another piece here. One more here. And another one here. Let's count how many pieces are there. Shall we count? Come. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 pieces in it. See? 1, 2, 3 and 4 pieces. How do I write? 4. Okay? Am I right? Good. Next. What do I have here? Fingers, the hand. Okay? How many fingers are there on the hand? Shall we count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And how do I write 5? 5. Am I right? Good. And here, next one. How many stars are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 stars are there. 6. Did I write 6 correctly? Okay. Next one. What is this? That's a rainbow. Did you know how many colors are there in a rainbow? A rainbow has 7 colors. Do you know that? 7 colors of the rainbow. How do I write 7? Just now I showed you. One sleeping line. One sleeping line, slanting line. 7. 7. Okay? Shall we count the colors in the rainbow? Here, I have this material. You all remember this material, right? What is this? Yes, this was there in your Premont classroom. Shall we count how many colors are there in the rainbow? Come. Let's count from this purple color, okay? The violet color. 1. Next. 2. 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Shall we count one more time? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 colors in a rainbow. There are 7 colors in a rainbow. Can you see that? Okay, now we'll go to our workbook and trace number 7. So that's your number 7. You'll have to trace along this sleeping line and slanting line and say 7. And how do you trace it? I showed you last time, right? Use different color pens or pencils or the crayons and trace over it. Okay? 7. 7 like that. And after you have traced enough times, I want you to count how many flowers are there. Shall we count and see how many flowers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 flowers there, and in this page, page number 14, you will have to circle the number 7. One is already circled for you. You can trace over the dotted lines and find out how many 7s are there. Will you all do it? Let me just count and see. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 7s in this page. Will you also find it out? Okay, great. Next, I want you to turn to page number 32. In page number 32, you will have some objects here and here the number. I want you to do the matching. The first one, let us see. What are these? These are bags. Shall we count how many bags are there? Come. 1, 2, 3. 3 bags. Now where is number 3 here? This one? Very good. So what you have to do? You have to draw a line to match it. There are 3 bags. Shall we count how many hats are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 hats. Show me where number 4 is. Just say stop. Stop. Draw the line. Okay, number 4. Got it? Like that, will you do the umbrellas and the glasses and the lampshade? Yeah, that is all for your maths homework. This is your page number 32 and tracing of number 7. Okay, after this you can do tomorrow. Sorry, this is for Wednesday. Maths is always for Wednesday, that is tomorrow. But today we'll have to do some coloring. Last time, do you remember we did this coloring and we had done the square and I asked you to do the circle also, right? Did you try it? Did it come out neat? Okay, great. Then let's go to the next one. Today, let's do the triangle. Okay, we'll have to get a grip of it. We'll have to do the triangle. Remember what were the ideas that I had given you for coloring? 1, you have to first make a thick outline or a border. You see that? Like that, you will have to make a thick outline and then you have to color inside it after you have made the thick outline. And when you make this outline, make sure the color doesn't go. And then you start coloring inside, and after you have colored, you look for white spaces. Is it not? Okay. Do in the same way, you please do it for the triangle. Learn to stop when you reach the corner. Okay. Then, next we will do the apple. Shall we color the apple? Okay, now since this is a coloring book, I want you to be very careful when you're coloring. You cannot be scribbling on this page, okay? I'm going to check all your books how well you have done it. So, again, I want you to take, you can use the same color or you can try a green apple. Try and stick to the same color, okay? Shall I show you how to color? Now, if you see, there are 2 colors in this, one for the stalk and leaves and the other for the apple. Okay, so let us start with the stalk. Like I said again, be careful. First you have to go for the borders and then you color inside. Same way for the leaf also. You see? Be gentle, be slow, there is no need for you to hurry. Okay, now you have done your outline. Once the outline is done, you can color inside. green. Okay, green leaf and a green stalk. And then coming to the apple, like I said, we have to first give the border. Okay, let's make the border a thick border. You see that? Very slow, gentle moves. Don't press too hard, I told you. If you press, what will happen? Your crayon will break. Okay, so it has to be gentle. Like that, this side also you color. Okay, give a thick border like this. After you've given the thick border, then you color inside it. Will you all do the apple? You will enjoy coloring it. That's all, children, for today. You will have to do your coloring. I'm giving you only one activity today, which is coloring, and you will have to be very careful when you're coloring. Take all the time that you want, but you have to bring out the best apple. Okay, the apple and the triangle. Will you all do it? Triangle, you can give any color you want. It doesn't have to be the same color that is there in the book. Whichever color you like. Okay, apple, try and stick to red. Okay, great. Tomorrow you will do your maths. And what will you be writing in your maths worksheet? You will be doing 7. Very good. You will have to trace 7, and also on page number 32 you will have to do the matching of numbers 1 to 5. Okay? Okay then, children, see you all in another video. I think this will be my last video for you. Tomorrow you will have culture with which Miss Soundarya will be teaching you. I will see you after a long break, a long winter break. Have a nice vacation, all of you. We'll meet you next year in January. Okay? Bye-bye.